Hello, this is your musician friend AK coming at you with the songs that you love to hear and play. Today's song is Brought Me, and that is by Lisa Knowles. We're in the key of G flat on today. Very, very fun song. We're going to get into it. And this song was requested by Dominique. Dominique, thank you so much for this awesome request. And to my Numerical Melodies family, if there's a tune you want to hear, drop it in the comments and I will bring it to life. Alright guys, we're in the key of G flat. Let's get it. There's G flat, A flat, B flat, B, D flat, E flat, F, and G flat. Of course, this is Numerical Melodies. We have to run through that with our numbers. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. Alright guys, let's do like we always do. Let's go ahead and stretch out our hands. Let's crack them. Let's get the nerves out, wiggle them. Alright guys, let's get ready and play this awesome song, Brought Me by Lisa Knowles.
Lord, you brought me. Lord, you brought me. You taught me. Lord, you held me. Never left me. Lord, you brought me. You taught me. I needed to get in your spirit.
This song is brought to you by FlowQ. Create a task, set a timer, and get it done. FlowQ. Available on the App Store.
To all my numerates, let's take this time out and count our numbers. Easy song, guys. We're going to get through it. So we're starting this song out with. All right, beautiful, beautiful line. Let me give you that. So we're on our 1, we're going to our 6, 5, and then we're going to our 4. Right there on the 4, we're playing this B major chord, and then we're going to our 1. That's right there on the G flat major chord. All right, so they start the song off with, Lord, you brought me, you taught me. Let me stop right there. We're playing this beautiful, beautiful progression. We're going 1, 3, 6, 4. All right, so let me give you that. On our 1, we're playing this G flat major chord. And in my left hand, I'm playing a nice little rhythm. I'm going, All right, then we're going to our 3. Right there on the 3, we're playing our A flat diminished 7 chord. Then we're going to our 6. We're playing that nice little rhythm again, right? We're going, and that chord is this beautiful chord right here. We're playing a G flat 6 chord, and then we're going to our 4. So they do that a couple times, right? They go, Lord, you brought me, you taught me, Lord, you kept me, never left me. All right, they do this nice little thing. What they're playing is they're going 3 to the 5, and then they're going to the 4. Right on the 4, we're playing our B major chord. So the verse, Lisa goes into, from the valley. All right, let me give you that. What are we doing? We're on our 4. We're playing this nice, beautiful B major chord added 2. Now we're playing this nice line. We're going 6, 1, 2, 3, 3. Then we're going to our 7. We're playing a D flat major chord. Then we're going to our G flat major on the 1. Through all my trials. All right, let me give you that. What are we doing? We're going right here to our D flat major chord on the 3. Then we're going right back to that B major chord. We're going to do the added 2 on the 4. That's the same thing we learned earlier. Going to the 7. We're going to In Every Storm. We're on the G flat major chord. Then we're going to our D flat major chord on the 3. You've Been Right There. We're on our 4 and we're playing a B major chord added 2. We're going to take it up to the 6. Same chord. B added 2. Your grace and mercy brought me this far, and so I know. All right, what is that? We're going to our 2. We're playing our B added 2. And we're just doing ba 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 ba. And then right there we're playing our D7 flat 5. We're on our 3. That's why I know. Right? And they're just walking up from the 2 all the way up to the 5. All right, what is all that? What is all that? Let me slow it down. Let me give it to you. So we're on our 6. We're playing our G flat 7. Then we're going to our 3. Right there on the 3, we're playing our D flat major chord. We're walking up from the 2 all the way up to the 5. We're playing a B major chord on the 2. Going to the D flat major chord on the 3. We're going to our G flat 6 chord, beautiful chord there on our 4. We're going to our open A flat sus2 chord on the 5 flat. And then we're on our 5. We're playing this big beautiful chord here, B7 chord, which is going to lead us back to the intro. So guys, that's the verse, that's the chorus. Now let's go and do the vamp. What's the vamp doing? Hallelujah. You brought me from a mighty long way. All right, what is that? All right, so we're on the 1. We're playing this G flat major chord. And in my left hand, I'm kind of going back and forth from the 1 to the 5. So we're going 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 3. Going to the 6 to the 3. All right, so let me give you that. We're playing 1. We're playing our G flat major chord. We're going to our A flat diminished 7 chord, just like the beginning, on the 3. And then we're going to our, this time we're going to our G flat 7 chord on the 6. And on the 6 we're going, right here we're going to our 4. We're playing a B flat major chord. Hallelujah, you brought me from a mighty long ways. All right, let me give you this right here. So they're doing this nice change right here. They're going to the 4. They're playing this B major chord, walking up. We're going to our 5. That's a D flat major chord. Going to our B major chord, right there on the 6. And then we're going to our D flat major chord on the 7. And then we're going to the 1. Sometimes you can interchange the one. You can play this D flat 6 chord on the one as well. So they do something at the very, very end. Let me give you that. They just walk up. Hallelujah. Right? Hallelujah. Yeah, beautiful. Let me give you that. So we're starting out. We're going to our 1. We're playing this G flat major chord. Walking up to the 2. We're playing our B major chord. We're going to our 3. We're playing a G flat major chord. Invert the G flat major chord on the 1. And then we're going to our 4. We're playing a B major chord. Keep going up. 5, we're going to a D flat major chord. Going to our 6, that's another B major chord. And then we're going to our 7. We're playing this D flat major chord. Now let me play it really, really slow for you just so that you can get it. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Alright guys, I hope this song was a blessing for you. And please, please come back for more. Awesome lesson. Today's life lesson is the courage to see clearly. Years ago, I dated a young woman I met while working at the airport. I was drawn to her beauty, but deep down, I knew there were red flags I kept overlooking. One day, a trusted childhood friend told me that he saw her holding hands with another man. Instead of making excuses, I accepted what I was seeing and ended the relationship. Looking back, that moment wasn't really about another guy. It was about finally admitting what I had been ignoring all along. There were red flags everywhere, but I kept overlooking them because I was attracted to her. We had different values, different lifestyles, and signs that the relationship wasn't headed in the right direction. The incident with the other guy just forced me to face what I already knew. Life lesson. Growth begins when you stop ignoring what you know is true. When you choose clarity over attraction and wisdom over feelings, you make room for the right people and the right opportunities to enter your life. Awesome job, guys. Let's give ourselves a hand. Thank you so much for coming in and working with me on today. And Dominique, thank you also for giving us that awesome song. Please request more. Guys, this is the time of the video that I tell you that we are on the road to, yep, I heard you say 1 million. Let's give it up for the 1 million. And if Numerical Melodies got you smiling like it's your little secret, don't be stingy. Spread the joy. Tell somebody about us. We have a bell. I would love it if you could hit that bell because the video that is new is coming right to you. And right next to that bell is a subscribe button. Guys, it takes 3 seconds. I believe you can hit it in 3, 2, 1. Bam, I see you just hit it and you just hit that bell. Guys, you have just made my day. I really appreciate you. And you know what? You're not just playing the music. You are the music. This is AK. I'm signing off.